Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on the glimpse of RRR.
Oh my god, this is the road, man. Okay, RRR first glimpse, and NTR, Ramcharan sir, Ajay Devgan, Alia Bhatt in this movie, and SS Rajamouli is the director of this movie.
Right.
And the movie
so
is
glimpse, what I am expecting it will be a small portion of each character.
each character.
Right?
हाँ, मुझे भी वही लग रहा है.
Yes.
तो let's get started. This movie is going to be released on 7th of January 2022, and stay tuned for this. Okay,
Right.
get ready from now onwards only. So let's get started. We're super excited. We'll be talking more about that after seeing this video. But also, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe channel, guys, and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes, and also please follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
Yes.
One more time, please, one more time.
One more time, right? Let's start it. Intense look.
Rice roll revolve. Wow. This is called teaser. This is called Indian cinema. Okay.
Yes. And I think this movie, particularly this movie, is going to break all the record. Hopefully.
Break all the records.
Yes.
कोई और मूवी देखो ना देखो, ये मूवी देखना ही देखना. Okay. This is our suggestion personally, because मतलब this movie is going to be a revolution, big step towards the Indian film cinema, and you can have a lot of thrills in your body.
Of course,
you can definitely have. So that
the
is
way
why
it is executed. Oh my god!
This
and
is
this is
unbelievable.
just 45-second glimpse. That's why we wanted to understand and we wanted to enjoy more. That's
but
why
this
we played.
teaser is very small, right?
This is just a glimpse. It's
this
not
is just
a teaser.
It's not a teaser also.
It's a glimpse.
Very,
teaser will release in month of November, December.
हाँ, मतलब मेरा मन
November
नहीं
came
भरा,
out,
इसलिए मैं बोलती जा रही हूँ कि मतलब इतना छोटा और देखने का मन कर रहा था ना. मतलब more about the movie, क्या है context. Of course it is a मतलब वो जो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, शादीनौता patriotic
kind of movie, right?
उसी टाइम का respectively वही टाइम का मूवी है, patriotic content है. बट कौन सा कैरेक्टर क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या कॉन्टेक्स्ट है, क्या सराउंडिंग है उस कैरेक्टर्स का, वो मुझे बहुत जानने का मन हो रहा है.
तो वो तो हम कुछ ये स्मॉल वीडियोज में हम देख चुके थे ना, किस टाइप के कैरेक्टर सब प्ले कर रहे हैं.
तीनों कैरेक्टर कैसे अंदर मतलब अपने आप से जुड़ रहे हैं, interrelated. That is what. But really, मतलब this is a lot of things are there, lot of team are involved. मुझे वो सब पहले का वो वीडियोस भी याद आ रहा था. हम देखे थे ना, मेकिंग देखे थे, फिर वो जो एक सॉन्ग रिलीज हुआ था वो देखे थे, जो दोस्ती सॉन्ग, फिर वो शायद ग्लिम्स, कोई थोड़ा बहुत ग्लिम्स भी हम देखे थे,
पोस्टर रिलीज था,
सब कुछ एक साथ मेरे आंखों के सामने आ रहा है. इट्स वेरी इमोशनल ऑल्सो कि वी आर सीइंग अ मूवी फ्रॉम मेकिंग टू स्क्रैच लेवल, फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच लेवल टू द एग्जीक्यूशन. सो दिस इज वेरी इमोशनल ऑल्सो फॉर आवर साइड.
मुझे फील हो रहा है कि ये मूवी बहुत वास्ट होने वाला और
हाँ।
एक पार्ट में एंड नहीं होगा। मुझे
मुझे भी
मुझे
लग रहा है।
पर्सनली फील हो रहा है
Parts
क्योंकि
निकलेगा।
जो भी ये ग्लिम्स दिखा ना, मुझे फील हो रहा है कि बहुत बड़ा जाएगा, बहुत लॉन्ग मूवी जाएगा ये।
हाँ, और इसका VFX ये देखने का मतलब एकदम मजा आ जाएगा। VFX कैसे ये लोग टेक्नोलॉजी यूज कर रहे हैं, जैसे वो जो बड़ा सा एक दिखा है ना, कोई महल है क्या कुछ, मतलब कतार कतार में लोग एकदम खड़े थे। यू विल लाइक फील योर इन योर body only the thrills and you cannot even tell that this is a VFX. This kind of technology they are using. Of course the execution is superb, the whole team effort you will be able to see that okay this is the team effort. And सब characters का जो भी खासियत है, like Ajay Devgan sir, Ramcharan sir, NTR sir, you can definitely tell this movie is going to be a rock on.
Of course,
I cried right in the Dosti song,
Dosti song,
because I was having that
was
goosebumps, man.
connecting to the people's heart
Heart,
directly.
in this glimpse also I was somewhat like my heart was like getting connected, to be very frank.
Yes, because
really amazing.
The picturization was so superb. It's a beautiful picturization because I
picturization
love the
is so
picturization, the way it was executed, and of course you told VFX, so patriotic kind, and then VFX mass up and all, everything it will be there. So of course
It's
it's
very
going
challenging
to,
also.
going to be super movie.
सुपर मूवी मैन, मतलब सीरियसली रेवोल्यूशनरी मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, ये मूवी एक अलग ही
Level
छाप
का है।
फैल जाएगा, अलग ही एक इम्पैक्ट लोगों के दिल में आ जाएगा।
And
That
most
I can
important
very
thing इस मूवी
be
में,
sure.
एक और चीज जो ये इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग है, जो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज द म्यूजिक, बीजीएम कैसा प्ले कर रहा था इसमें रोल,
मैं क्या बताऊँ, मतलब कुछ भी बोलूँ खत्म नहीं होगा।
गिविंग अ पावरफुल थ्रिल काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग।
The BGM itself is giving you goosebumps.
Yes.
You know, you don't need to see the video what is happening in front of you. You just have the goosebumps after hearing the BGM only.
Yes, you can
This
just
is unreal.
close your eyes and focus on what's going on surrounding.
Yeah, I
Right,
always
and
love this kind of movie where patriotic content और older India के बारे में बात होता है, and how the older time the Indians like used to suffer a lot. This kind of movie really gives me thrill in my body, and really like I respect. So this movie is going to be one of my favorite for sure, because seeing the
course.
first glimpse only I can definitely tell that. And
Exactly.
really 7th January 2022, mark your calendar. I will definitely see this movie, and I will definitely we will definitely come up with our review
Yeah,
for
of
you
course,
guys.
we have to watch
We
this
will
movie,
do that.
right?
We have to.
Yes.
So yeah, that is it for today's video, and really enjoyed. This is a 10 on 10 from our side,
Of
and मतलब एक कोई point कम करने का जगह ही
Now
नहीं है यार।
seriously waiting when this
नहीं है।
teaser will get released and
Yes.
the trailer will get released. Most probably trailer will get released on I think 1st January, New Year Day,
हो सकता
or
है, उस
31st
time को हो
December,
सकता है।
most probably, because
If you have any
seven-
information,
because-
please let us know in the
because
comment
it's
bar.
this movie is going to release on 7th January, so
Yes.
teaser generally is to 1 or 2 weeks before that.
Trailer.
So
हाँ.
or maybe during Christmas time also
हो
it can
सकता है।
release. So.
Super excited for that.
Yes,
Okay,
and
उस
before
time
that,
it
lot of
all
lyrical
thrown
song
out.
will also
हाँ,
come.
lyrical song. Yes. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you love our reaction, please subscribe to our channel, guys, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.